Welcome to this video on the roadmap of data analyst. If you are interested in becoming a data analyst, then this video is for you. In this video, we will take a look at everything you need to know about the roadmap to becoming a data analyst. So stick around till the end of the video. The field of data analytics has grown tremendously over the past decade. The demand for data analysts has also increased significantly, as more and more industries are looking to make data-driven decisions. But what exactly does a data analyst do? And how can you become one? Let's find out. The first step to becoming a data analyst is to understand what the job entails. Data analysts collect, process, and perform statistical analysis on large datasets. They use various tools and techniques to identify patterns, trends, and insights that can help organizations to make informed decisions. To become a data analyst, you need to have a solid foundation in mathematics and statistics. It is also essential to have excellent analytical and problem-solving skills. Additionally, data analysts need to be proficient in programming languages such as Python, R, and SQL. The next step is to learn the necessary technical skills. Data analysts need to be proficient in data analysis tools such as Excel, Google Sheets, Tableau, and Power BI. It's crucial to learn these tools and become proficient with them before moving on to more advanced techniques and languages. Once you have the foundational skills, you can start focusing on more advanced techniques and languages. Some of the topics you need to master include data pre-processing, data visualization, statistical analysis, machine learning, and data modeling. Another critical aspect of becoming a data analyst is to develop your soft skills. You need to be an excellent communicator, both verbal and written. Data analysts typically work in teams, and the ability to work collaboratively and communicate effectively is essential. Finally, you can gain real-world experience by working on various projects. You can participate in open-source projects, work on your own personal projects, or collaborate with others. This experience will help you gain hands-on experience and build a portfolio that you can showcase to potential employers. Background music. In conclusion, becoming a data analyst requires dedication and hard work. You need to have the right skills, both technical and soft, to excel in this field. However, with the growing demand for data analysts, this is an exciting and rewarding field to pursue. So, start your journey today